is expansion of Krishna. Krishna is the energetic and Radharani is the energy. Just energy or energetic, you cannot separate. Fire and the heat, you cannot separate. Wherever there is fire, there is heat. And wherever there is heat, there is fire. Similarly, wherever there is Krishna, there is Radha. And wherever there is Radha, there is Krishna. They are inseparable. But he is enjoying. So, Swarup Damodar Goswami has described this intricate philosophy of Radha and Krishna in one verse, very nice verse. Radha Krishna Pranaya Vikiti Alhadini Sattirasmat Ekatmanamapi Bhuvi Deho Bhedo Gatolto. So, Radha and Krishna is the one supreme. But in order to enjoy, they are divided into two. Again, Lord Chaitanya joins they two into one. Chaitanya Prakatamaduna. That one means Krishna in the ecstasy of Radha. Sometimes Krishna is in ecstasy of Radha. Sometimes Radha is in ecstasy of Krishna. This is going on. But the whole thing is Radha and Krishna means the one, the supreme.
Radharani always feels that I do not know how to love Krishna. Here is a gopi, how she loves Krishna. That is her. This is called Mahabhav. So we should not imitate Radharani, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Just like Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he is the symbol of Radharani's Mahabhav. He says that I do not love Krishna. I do not know how to love Krishna. Then if somebody says, why you are crying? Well, that is a show. I am making a show. I am crying. Then what is the symptom? Then the symptom is this: if I would have loved Krishna, then without him I have died long ago. I should have died. I am living still without Krishna. That means I do not love Krishna. This is Mahabharata.